Detoxification is what our bodies do naturally without any particular diet or particular plan. All day, every day, our body works and interact with other organs to neutralize, transform and remove harmful substances which we call as toxins in our body. Harmful substances are not just booze and ciggies. Cheerfully, they are everywhere, unavoidable and normal part of our life. Pollution, pesticide in our food, polluted water, stress, pharmaceutical drugs.
And the list is endless, and our body is working 24 hours to clear our system. While the body is doing detoxifying, we can help our body to do it better through the Red Tea Detox. Swann Miller, creator of Detox, discovered the unique recipe for this energizing tea. The ingredient contain a lot of antioxidant properties and fat loss benefits, which is commonly available in the stores nearby you. Swann Miller, the creator of Red Tea Detox, is a 6-time best-selling author with over 10 years of experience practicing in naturopathy. So the final question is the Red Tea Detox going to work? Well, you will love it. Why? The Red Tea Detox is having decades of research, over 500 medical studies, as well as almost 3 years of real-world testing. The Red Tea Detox is sold thousands of copies and it's online bestseller. Following the detox program, any inflammation in the body will subside. People felt energetic with improved sleep cycle. One of the key benefits is preventing the growth of fat cell, stabilizing the blood sugar level, reduce bad cholesterol level and improving food craving and appetite, which burn your fat faster. Getting rid of intrinsic and extrinsic toxin, having antioxidant properties, improve blood circulation. The first part of the book covers importance and advantage of detoxifying the body. The second part of the book will explain the 14 days detox and what you need to do. The third and final part of the book will give you 21 days of eating plan to follow. This will burn more calories, cut the excess fat, help you to build a healthy eating habit. You will also get an exercise plan to help you lose more weight and get fit. And this all with 100% money back guarantee. Yes. The important thing about the Red Tea Detox is this best-selling book is available only online, so you have to download and take a physical copy for easy reference. The Red Tea Detox is designed to detox your body and help you to burn the fat faster. To get into this amazing program, click the link below now on the description. Get the link, get into the plan and make your 2019 one of the transformation year of your life.